Hello, I am going to talk about the topic family. My name is Hoài Anh. My full name is Nguyễn Hoài Anh. I am 20 years old. Currently, I am living in the city of Hanoi. There are a lot of things to do here. I am majoring in labor economics school. I go to school by walking because I live near the school. In my free time, I often watch movies with call friends. I don't like watching action movies and movies with violence. After school, the weekend, I went back to my hometown to visit my family. There are five people in my family: my father, my mother, my sister, my brother, and me. My father is 45 years old. He is a builder. He is hard working. He likes watching TV and listening to music. My mother is younger than my father. My mother is 40 years old. He is a worker. She cooks very well and is kind. She took care of us very softly and meticulously. My younger sister is 19 years old. She likes drawing. She can draw almost anything. Her dream is to enter Vietnam University of Fine Arts. Besides drawing, she likes raising cats. She has one cat. My younger brother is 15 years old. He is a high school student. He likes playing badminton and playing games. He usually plays badminton every afternoon. We like talking and relaxing together.
After finishing my